Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, grade 4. Welcome to your English lesson. Open your English Broadway books and turn page 22 to day 22. Today we will be reading unit number 2. I want to stay awake. Okay, let's start the reading. One morning, the emperor means the man who rules over an empire. Okay, one day the emperor of China was feeling tired and sleepy. He had a lot of work to do, but he could not keep his eyes open. Perhaps I am sick, he said to his servant, get my doctor. In this paragraph, the emperor is asking a servant that he should get him a doctor because he is feeling tired and sleepy and he had a lot of work to do. When the doctor arrived, the emperor said, I have many things to do today, but I can't keep my eyes open. Can you help me? The doctor opened his bag and took out a small box. There are some dry, dark leaves inside the box. Great emperor, would you like to chew some of these leaves? They will help you. They are called tea leaves, said the doctor. He offered the emperor a few leaves. When the doctor came, the emperor told him about his problem, that he cannot keep his eyes open. So the doctor gave him some leaves which are called tea leaves, that he should chew them. The emperor looked at the tea leaves, then he put them in his mouth and began to chew them. They don't taste nice at all. They are uneatable, said the emperor. When he chewed, the emperor chewed the leaves, so he didn't like the taste of the leaves. And he told him that they are uneatable. I cannot eat them. But they will help you stay awake, great emperor, said the doctor. The emperor was angry. I am emperor. If something doesn't taste nice, I won't chew it. It shouted the emperor. If you don't take your leaves away, I will cut off your head. Just as the doctor was leaving, two servants came into the room. They were carrying the emperor's bath. It was full of hot water. Some of the tea leaves that the doctor was carrying fell into the hot water. That smells wonderful. Perhaps I can drink the tea leaves, the emperor said to the doctor. Bring me a cup of hot water, he said to his servant. When the doctor said to the emperor that he should eat the tea leaves, it would keep him awake. The emperor said to him that he didn't like to eat the things that didn't taste nicely. Okay. So he said to the doctor that he should leave at once. When the doctor was leaving, some of the tea leaves dropped into the water water in the bathtub, and it was smelling wonderful. So the emperor said that to the servant that they should bring some water to him and put the tea leaves in the water. When the servant brought a cup of hot water, the emperor put a few tea leaves into the water. The water became a beautiful golden color and smelt very nice. The emperor tasted the water. A big smile spread across his face. This tastes wonderful, he shouted in excitement. Then he drank up all the water. A few minutes later, he stopped feeling sleepy. He was fully awake and he felt young and strong again. The emperor smiled at the doctor. You are very clever, he said. I won't cut off your head. Then the emperor turned to his servant and bring me a cup of this wonderful drink every morning. Since that day, people have grown tea in China and in many other parts of the world. When the emperor drank the tea, so he was very happy and he said that now I am not feeling sleepy, and he ordered his servant that they should bring the tea to him on daily basis. Okay, and since then the people grew tea leaves in China and other parts of the country. Your task is to read the whole chapter and record your voice. I will listen to your reading and practice the reading. And also, if you have some problem in difficult words, you can ask me. I will give you response. Good luck. Thank you.